Nobody ever taught how to smile, which is weird because we do it every single day. And believe me, scientifically, it is horrible. That's a disaster. Welcome to Smile School. Class is in session. So naturally, scientists looked into this and they found out, actually, according to my research, and by my research, I mean very serious scientific study, 43% of humans are smiling incorrectly. That is almost half the population. What do you mean? Well, this explains a lot. This is not a suggestion. It's a crisis. A big crisis. But before we fix smiling, right? We need to make sure we are working with the right equipment. Step one is locating your face. And science has confirmed it is usually located on the front of your head. This clarification is very necessary. Do not for any reason skip this step. Now that the face has been successfully identified, let us talk about a premium version of smiling. Not all smiles are equal. This is the gold standard, the premium version. If your eyes aren't involved, you are lying. Your smile is what? Lying. Unfortunately, this is not what most people are doing. Serial killer special. All teeth, no eyes, deeply unsettling. This does not build trust. It builds fear. Customer service classic. The mouth says welcome. The eyes say, I've worked for 8 hours. And the last, trying too hard. This face is buffering. It's still loading. This is not a hostage negotiation. So why does any of this actually matter? This is an interesting part. Your face basically sends signals to your brain, and your brain believes them. So yes, fake it till you make it. I didn't teach you that. Your face is basically legal drugs. The good news is, this is a trainable skill. So, this is where it gets uncomfortable. Because you can train your smile like a muscle. You will look ridiculous. That means it's working. So let's try. It's working. Please, do not do this in public. Or do. I don't care. I'm not a supervisor. Now, before we go smiling everywhere, context matters. Smiling means different things in different places. In some cultures, it's rare. My goodness. In some, it's polite. Okay? In America, it's the default setting. Sure. Same action, very different interpretations. So be careful. Once you understand the rules of smiling and the principles which govern the laws of smiling, you can start using them strategically. At job interviews, this smile says, hire me, not I'm desperate. First dates, this smile says, I'm charming, not I'm a threat. Meeting with in-laws, this smile says, I'm normal. Which is the goal? And if you made it this far, congratulations! You are now officially Smile certified. And what does it mean for you to be Smile certified? You now have the power to smile wherever and whenever you like. This is a quote from our chief smilologist, Smile School TM, Dr. Elera Vance. A smile is the shortest distance between two people, provided it is anatomically correct. Use your power responsibly. Go forth and spread facial joy.